The following question we're going to be answering is, what element is represented by the following electron configuration? They give us 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p4. So the first thing that you can do, since we are trying to determine the element that corresponds to this electron configuration, you can do one of two things. You can either count up all the electrons, and depending on the number of electrons, you know that's going to be equal to the atomic number, so the number of protons for that specific element, and you can find it on the periodic table. The second thing you can do is you can look to see what your highest energy level is, go to that energy level, and then determining based off of the valence electrons, you can then also find that's the group that corresponds to it. Well, I'm going to show you both ways, just in case, so you know exactly what I'm talking about when I'm talking about each of those cases. So let's go ahead and do the first one and add up the corresponding electrons. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So I have Z is equal to 34. So this is the number of protons and electrons when I'm dealing with a neutral atom. So I look at my periodic table and I start to look for 34. I find that selenium, so I'm going to highlight it. It might be really hard to highlight if you can't see it. So selenium has 34, has an atomic number of 34. So perfect. That was one way to do it. It's an easy way. The other way that we could have done it is looking at the highest energy level. So energy level 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth energy level. And I then look at my valence electrons. I have a total of 6 valence electrons. My d orbital is completed, so it does not count towards those valence electrons. So I have a total of 6. So 1, 2 are my s orbitals. So remember, these are my s. These are my d orbitals. These are my p orbitals. So this is S1, S2, P1, P2, P3, P4. And so it would have been selenium. So those are the two ways you could have approached this question.